Hi everyone, in this video I will discuss the top travel tips to make traveling more enjoyable. Okay, let's start. Traveling can be a hard work, especially if you are traveling with kids and parents. We think vacationing should be fun and enjoyable with no added stress. Whether traveling alone or with your family, we have put together top travel tips to help you plan and prepare for your traveling adventures. Be patient. Okay, your traveling adventures may not go as you plan, so preparing for delays is vital when traveling. This way, when your flight gets delayed or you take the wrong route, it will not phase you as much. You will already have planned for it. Just remember to stay calm and think positive. To make print a list for your belongings. How many times you left your house and forget about an important item? Probably most of us planning ahead of time will allow you to remember the important items such as chargers, camera, and important documents. You can find a get list online that will allow you to check off items as you pack. Check out this great list there. 3. People on local activities. Nothing is worse than getting to your destination and being overwhelmed by place to go and see. People on your activities so you know which one you would like to do during your visit. Unless you are taking a 3 month long vacation, it is important to see and do everything that the destination has to offer. So make sure to pick and choose your favorites ahead of time. Make photocopies of important documents. You never know when an emergency will arise. You should always make 2 copies of your important documents. One copy to leave with a trusted friend or relative at home, and other to carry with you in the case of loss or theft. For us, the locals, would not you want a pro to give you a guidance during your vacation? Don't be afraid to ask the locals whether the best restaurants, coffee shops, sunset spots, etc. They will know the best spot and will be more than happy to share it with you. It may surprise you how much you enjoy the place. 6. Alert your bank and credit card company. This is an important habit to get the hang of before your travels. Unless you want your debit and credit cards getting declined, be sure to make this call. This is especially important for those traveling overseas. It will enable a smooth process while on your vacation. Okay. And 7. Backup your laptop, cell phone, and other electronics. Although planning for a burglaries, I never thought upon it could happen when visiting a new area. It is important to back up your electronics and always carry those important documents in a case of theft. You can back up your files and photos on a hard drive or online with the software. Settle down and don't overplan. Nothing is worse than feeling overwhelmed or on your vacation. Your vacation is supposed to be relaxing and fun. Don't feel like you have to spend every walking moment visiting a new place. Settle down and plan for the places you really want to see. Spend some time with yourself, relaxing near the pool or on the beach. The goal is to come back from vacation feeling refreshed, not drained. Packing for carry-on. Some important items to always pack on a carry-on on any medications, toothbrush, electronics, and extra set of gloves just in case. A swimsuit may not be a bad idea if you are traveling to the Gulf Coast. That way you can head straight be a beach while waiting to check in. 10. Travel more. Stop making excuses on why you cannot travel more. Get out and explore the world. Those who wait to travel unfortunately never do. Starting with a new weekend trip is always a good idea and allows for a short break from reality to enjoy what is the world has to offer. After your weekend trip, plan for a week, and before you know it, you will be across the country for a 3 week vacation, enjoying different cultures that a new iPhone or shopping spree can can wait. If you truly want to experience all that life has to offer, travel more. If you have any query, you can ask in comment section. Thank you very much.